Okay, here are Hazel and John Wayne's puppies, 4 weeks old, out here spending some time playing on the front porch before it continues raining today. The sun came out for a little while. They're actually calling for storms for us. But, okay, so this is Mill Creek. Oh, that's sleepy. Okay, Mill Creek Family Farms AKC Champion Line Cockapoos with Hazel and John Wayne's 4-week-old litter. They're out here just kind of exploring with the toys and stuff. We've got Kiesel down there. Oh, I hear the thunder. You hear that, buddy? You see the curls really coming in on their coats. And then we've got buff female number 1 is wearing the purple collar. She has a little more pink to her nose. That probably will go away in time. But a little more pink to her nose. There you can tell. And then female number 2. And they were actually the first 2 in the litter born. 1 and 2. And then came sleepy little buff guy. I just did pictures, and I did him last, and he hasn't had a chance to rest up from them yet. He is out. I do think he's going to have 2 blue eyes, I'm guessing. Kiesel, are you trying to howl down there, huh? Are you trying to howl? He followed a toy down there, and then it's like he's not sure how to come back. But they're just spending some time hanging out here, getting some fresh air. Here, let's see your face here too, bud. Let your family see ya. Hi, buddy bear. Hello, cutie pie. They will start on solid food this week, so they'll probably have their first bath before you see their pictures next week. You can sleep through this whole thing. You can sleep through the whole thing. So anyway, they're doing good. They've had their first 2 nail trims. They've had their first 2 routine dewormings. Which doesn't necessarily mean they have trouble. It just is a preventative to make sure that's nothing in their system bugging them that could have passed from, possibly from mama. You 2 are snuggling and napping down there, huh? They're doing really good. They got a few toys out here. They don't really play much yet at this stage. Still just kind of doing a lot of sleeping and eating. But they're starting to be interested in stuff. Sniff around on things, see what things are. We've got a couple of the rope toys that they seem to really like at their young age, and then a couple of the snuggle puppies, which are not toys, but a comfort item. We've started offering that to all of our families. Oh, here comes the rain. But it's something that they'll have. You've probably seen them in pictures with the snuggle puppies. They have the snuggle puppies in with them with the litter, and then families who want to will send one home with the puppy that smells like their litter and is something familiar, and we get really good reviews on that. So that's female 2 again. And Kiesel here, the black male, he's going to go ahead and take a nap too. And then you two are kind of being boring for the video down there. But you can't get much cuter than that. Okay. Well, they're doing good. The two males, the merle male and the black male, both their families know which ones they're bringing home, and the females, it's been my fault. I offered video before picking, and then I have been bad about getting it done. So anyway, we'll do this and send 4-week-old pictures today, and then our female families can make their selections. And then I can't believe it's only 4 more weeks till they head home. Right now they're all in the 1 to 2 pound range. Smallest being 1.5 pounds, and the largest being just over 2. You're the go-getter, aren't you, girl? You're the go-getter. I always do warn people, too. You know, a video is just a snapshot in time. So it's not a big finder of personality or anything, but it helps. It helps. Okay. See if we can wake these two up real quick and see if they'll move around and let you see them a little bit. Come on, guys. So tired. You gonna let us see you move? Just to move enough to get comfy again, huh? I don't know if I ever got a close-up on this guy's face. Looky there. Alright. Alright. Can you get up and move around? The family wants to see ya, huh? I'm too tired. Alright, so there they are, 4 weeks old. I'll try and get you another one of these at least before they go home. They're doing great. Alright, I'll go ahead and sign off. Send you their pictures, send you this video, and then next week I'll send you the big... Oh, there goes the skid loader starting up. Thought I'd have some quiet time, but guess he's going out to feed the cows, huh? Anyway, then next week I'll send the big 5-week info email, and we'll move forward with preparing you to bring these babies home. Alright. Mill Creek Family Farms, AKC Champion Line Cockapoos. Signing off with Hazel and John Wayne's puppies at 4 weeks. Bye-bye.